For over a decade, Cambrionix has helped technical teams deploy, charge, and manage thousands of devices at scale. Now meet the next generation, the ThunderSync5-C16. Built on Thunderbolt 5, it delivers powerful data and charging at scale. Intelligent dynamic onboard processing actively manages every port to keep performance stable under heavy loads. In schools across America, IT teams face the same challenge every year. Thousands of student devices, all needing to be ready before the school year begins. And during the semester, rapid return to learning is key for every student and every device. With ThunderSync 5, entire batches of devices can be restored and configured simultaneously, reducing workflow from over an hour to less than 11 minutes. ThunderSync 5 can be used as part of wider automation. IT teams monitor and manage devices remotely in real time, schedule charging sessions, and coordinate workflows through Cambrionix Connect. Integration with Apple Configurator and shortcuts enables IT teams to program a chain of actions that turn complex workflows into a simple click operation. And as demand grows, school IT teams scale without compromise, maintaining performance, stability, and control across every connected device. Even across large multi-site deployments, preparing thousands of devices simultaneously. Cambrionix solutions help education IT teams increase throughput and the number of devices processed per hour, ensuring they are ready for the start of the school year and ad hoc return to learning operations. Aligned with Apple's vision, the goal is for every student to be able to learn, create, and define their own success. Purchase Cambrionix directly from the Apple Education online store